Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Voice over Wi-Fi. So this technology has been recently in use because Bharti Airtel has introduced this technology all across the country, which is the very first time in India. So introduction of VO Wi-Fi, as it is called, helps us in making HD quality voice calls with the help of high speed internet. So this calls can be made to any mobile or even landline operators as well, and that is the advantage of this. So the quality will increase multifold. Wi-Fi calling can be configured on compatible smartphones that are supporting this Wi-Fi calling. So the advantage of employing this VO Wi-Fi for mobile network operators is to ensure that quickly and easily they can extend their coverage for a wide range of area. So there is usual cost for telecom sector, which has been a huge issue for granting permissions as well as acquiring permissions for the parties involved, that is radio access network infrastructure. So in traditional setup, there was a necessity for putting cell phone towers and asking permission from apartment owners for setting up this infrastructure. That issue is resolved now with this technology, and also it also ensured that regulatory compliance is reduced. There is no need for new license spectrum every time, or there is no need for complex roaming agreements. Now one might ask, what is the advantage for end user? So these are the advantages. He will be able to make uninterrupted calls independent of cellular networks coverage. So that is one issue. The signals issue will be gone. So the second one is, wherever it is possible, it can switch between LTE and Wi-Fi. So whichever network is strong, it can switch between that sides. So particularly this technology will be a boon in rural areas where there is poor cellular network coverage, and also in mountainous areas and indoors. So overall this improves connectivity in hitherto unconnected areas, and this is a step ahead for Digital India campaign. Now let us try to understand more through this question. So basically we have various apps like WhatsApp or say Skype, where we use an app to contact the other person and speak over internet. VO Wi-Fi is also more or less a similar technology, but it does not use an app. Directly we can call from one number to another number, and we are not using an app. So the statement 1 is right. VO Wi-Fi ensures that there is no need for new license spectrum or complex roaming agreements. We have already seen this information in the explanation. So both the options are right. Now with respect to this second question, this is a sort of a revision. If you haven't watched the previous videos on defense industrial corridors, I request you to go back to that video, watch that video, try to understand the concept, come back and attempt this question. Please post your answer in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thank you.